Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today. I'm so happy to see you guys again. I'm sorry I didn't make a video yesterday, but I didn't really have time to make one. But today I'm going to pay it back by making a video about today and also yesterday. There's also one cool thing that I'm going to get to by the end of the video. I tried a new investing thing. Hint, hint, it's options, but it's a little different than what I tried before. But if you guys want to hear or see what I'm doing, then I'd really appreciate if you guys could smash that like button below first and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you guys haven't yet. We just hit 360 subs, and I want to thank you guys all for the support. Alright, so enough teasing you guys, so getting into it. I'll talk about options later, but first of all, I'm going to start off with UWT and DWT. So basically, if we look at my history, alright, so a lot of options over there. So I'll talk about that later. DWT right here, I sold all my shares. UWT right here, I sold all my shares at around $15.41, which is a pretty good price point in my opinion. I could have gotten like $15.50 out of it, but still an awesome profit. I bought it at $14.70 something, $14.90 something. So I still had a pretty huge profit margin. It was around, I think, 3 to 5% profit, which was actually pretty nice. And yesterday I did sell off half my shares just because the stock broke its pattern temporarily and then it just continued. So it was kind of like a fake out. But right now, as you can see, I did buy some DWT and it broke the pattern that I was going to trade. I set a stop loss at $8. It went to $8. Actually, I'll show you the stock really quick. So DWT right here, as you can see, it went to like $7.98. My stop loss was at 8. And it bounced back up to like 8.10 and 8.10, sorry, 8.10, and then it just fell back down. So a kind of BS move, yeah, but it's alright because I just wanted this to be a day trade, but anyway, it's fine. I probably won't be trading any crude oil for the rest of this week because mostly I don't see any value in it right now. It's right in between where it could either go up or down, so I don't want to risk it. I'd rather do something else, which are options. Drum roll, please. And it's an iron condor. So I did do some research, unlike last time. Hint, hint. I did some research on iron condors and other option strategies, and I figured out that for now the best thing to start off with would be an iron condor. And I thought spending $4 for an options trade isn't that bad of a risk, so I might as well try it, and maybe this will be part of my regular trading activity, you know? So I did buy this Microsoft Iron Condor from 108 to 113. I made a really safe bet because I didn't want to make my first options trade end up being on the negative, which would kind of piss me off, honestly, because I've had some bad history with them. Oh, sorry. Let's look up Microsoft, MSFT. Alright, so Microsoft, as you can see right here, it's been tanking pretty hard, but I'm pretty sure that by tomorrow, because mine are expiring tomorrow, by tomorrow, they probably won't go below $108, and they probably won't go above $113. So I wanted to make it a safe bet and also a cheap bet. So what I've learned from, you guys can correct me in the comments below, but I'm still learning. For those who are options geeks and people who are smart and good at options, correct me if I'm wrong, but if the option expires and your prices are like 108 to 113, those are out of the money, then you keep all of the profits. All the credit that you got from the stock, right? So I paid 4 cents, so that's $4, and if it does expire out of the money, correct me if I'm wrong, then I'll keep the $4 of profit. So that means my portfolio would be like at $213. Alright, so that's what I learned from it, and I didn't want to make a big risk, so I just put in $4, which is almost nothing, compared to the learning experience on the pros of this, in comparison to the con of losing $4. But if this does work out, then I may be trading some weekly iron condors, but really, I didn't want to like go full out like I did last time, so I want to start maybe maximum $20 to $30 from my account I'll be using on options, specifically iron condors, like this one, Microsoft. But other than that, I don't really want to get my feet too wet with these iron condors because I may get a little too excited and put in a lot of money and may not come out the way I assumed it would. I'm gonna phrase that way. Yeah, so that's what I got from this iron condor that I bought, and it's expiring tomorrow. So, I mean, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be pure profit and it's really low risk. But I just want to double check if you guys know anything about this. And if I'm doing something wrong, please correct me in the comments below, because I don't want to tank my account like I did last time. But I'm mostly going to stick to swing trading like I usually am. Unless this gets really significant and I get really good at it, I may like do half and half swing trading, half options. But I'll probably stick with swing trading like DWT, UWT. And I was looking at some stocks right here. UGAS and DGAS, I haven't traded these in like a month or so, and the pattern's looking like it's getting a little more stable. I can see, that's what I'm going to call it, but it looks like UGAS just peaked out right now, so I may be doing some more analysis and possibly trading UGAS and DGAS in the future. But if you guys have any other questions, comments, concerns, or anything like that, I'd really appreciate if you guys could put that in the comment section below. I read every single one of them, and I respond to the ones that are questions, because I'm not going to respond to like cool vid. I'm going to be like nice or thumbs up or something like that, you know. But if you guys have anything, I'd really appreciate if you guys could put in the comments below. And if you have not yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm not begging you guys or anything, but if you guys want to see me hit $1 million, growing $200 up to $1 million within 4 years, then you guys better click that subscribe button. I mean, otherwise you won't see this young entrepreneur hit $1 million, you know? But I'm sorry. For those who don't know, I didn't explain it. So for those who don't know, I'm currently doing a challenge where I'm growing $200 up until $1 million. That's right, $1 million, which will take around 5% every week, consistent growth. Starting on Monday, I didn't make that much profit, I would say. It would have been like 2 to 3%. So that means my iron condor better be worth it. And that's the only thing I'm probably going to be trading tomorrow. But there may be a change of plans, so I'll keep you updated in tomorrow's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I wish you guys a fantastic rest of the week. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.